The quality of your life is depends upon the quality of your decisions you are taking in your life. Your decisions lead and decides what is your destination, what is your next destination, or what is your destiny is. Whatever the choices we are made in the past, that because of that, the right life conditions we are facing is all because of that. And whatever the decisions you are going to take now, what are the choices you are right now making, which is creating your reality of future. So, this is very important to discover the secret of making our decisions right. Yes, you heard right, making your decisions right. There is no decisions in the world are 100% right or 100% wrong. What are the factors which determines your decisions is right or wrong? We are going to discover today. So, are you ready to learn the secret of making your decisions right? Then here I will tell you the four facts you need to know before making your decisions. The first one is every decision has a cost attached, whether you like it or not like it. Second thing is cost is not an option. When you made the decision, then we cannot avoid the cost of it. Then the third thing is two kinds of costs are there. One is predictable cost and second is unpredictable cost. And fourth thing is there is nothing called as confusion for choosing option 1 or option B. The fact actually is people wants to take decisions but they are not ready to pay the cost. They are not ready to take the responsibility to bearing that cost. That is the only bottom line of making decisions. If you will learn this to analyze the cost properly before taking decisions, then you are the best decision maker and you are the best leader. So here I will tell you four important things to take the decisions or to make your decisions right. First thing is you have to write down all the options of that decision. After that, second thing comes is you have to analyze the cost of each of that decision, each of that option. Third thing is we tend to ask people what is the right decision and what is the wrong decision. Instead of focusing what is right and what is the wrong or what are the benefits of the decision, we need to focus on what are the hidden costs of that decision. Our mind sometimes exaggerates the benefits and ignores the costs, and because of that, we fail to take decision or we some people may become indecisive because they are not ready to they not analyze the cost while taking decision, and after when the cost come in front of them, then they are not ready to pay it. So the fourth thing you need to ask yourself, which is the cost, which is the option, which is the bearable cost I am willing to pay happily and easily and courageously. This will make your decisions right. So don't focus on the benefits, focus on the cost of the decisions. This will make you a leader in any decisions you make. You can make your decisions right because you have already accepted the cost while taking decision. So you don't need to worry about that. So I hope this video will help you to upgrade your life skills and upgrade your life and upgrade your best version of yourself to become a leader, to lead yourself and lead others. So such a kinds of life skills we are going to talk frequently. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Signing off, life coach Asmita Goswami.